And it's got fan directions here, so if you need a nice wall air conditioner, buy the TCL. Wall air conditioner, great little unit. You can hear how quiet it is. Comes with a remote control everything across the room, or on the panel right here. It's got low, medium, high fan. It's got cold, it's got dry, it's got all kind of different buttons here. It's got an automatic mode. You can set your temperature. So you can see I'm temperature up right there, temperature down right there. And it solves a lot of problems. Summer's coming.